Let's discuss about flyladys system. Yeah, let me shed some light about flyladys system. Hey guys, welcome to this channel. In this channel we focus on creating life solution, and in this channel I will make sure to discuss everything that's affecting me. Therefore I always know that it's going to benefit you. So if you've not subscribed, kindly do subscribe, like this video, share with your friends, and let's just get right into it. Flyladys system, you might have heard her or you might not have heard her, so I'm here to shed some light because it's something that I want to try. Okay, I've been trying and I think it's been working, but not completely. Yeah, not completely. So yeah, it's something that I'm looking into working on it, because it does help. The fact that I've gone with it does help. For those who don't know, Flylady is a lady who has systems in her home that really works. She believes in creating system in every home. Like, she just believes in every home should have a system, and I think that is true. Every home should have a systems that actually do work, so that to make sure that house is clean and it's just conducive for just living there, right? So she has particular systems that I want to share with you, that you can try. Yeah, she has systems, so I've written them down below and I'm going to share with you each and every one of them. One, she believes in evening and morning routine. This is something that I've been doing. The lady says every single person should have a morning routine and an evening routine. And in the morning routine, you just decide. For me personally, maybe I wake up. My morning routine is simply waking up, journaling, praying, and then reading the Bible, then preparing my kids, giving her a bath, packing her snacks, dressing up, and then breakfast for my son. We both have breakfast, and then he gets to sleep. Then I can record such videos, then I can clean the house. That is my morning. Like, you should have a routine that actually does work. And then after morning routine, every person should have an evening routine. Like, for me, for example, in the evening, I make sure my kids eat by around 6 or 7 latest, and then we get to just have a conversation. They get to play, and then by 7:38 they are in bed, so that they have slept at exactly 20 they should be sleeping. So that's my routine. That way I can get to clean the house, I can get to make dinner for me and my husband, we can get to have our own time. I can get to talk and discuss about how our days was. Sometimes that is the time I prepare morning stuff. I get to maybe fold clothes, like anything. Yeah, like, you should have a morning and evening routine. And then these are cleaning, by the way, they're cleaning routines and systems. And then in the afternoon, you should also have a system that works for you. For example, after cleaning, you should do a robot cleaning. You see that Carol, I'll insert a picture, that Carol that goes on in the house and does the cleaning and all that. Yeah, it does help get things done. However, if you don't have that, you can do vacuum. However, if you don't have a vacuum, you can do like me. You can just simply wash the house, because again, you have kids and they're going. I have a son who picks things from the floor and eats, so I have to make sure the house is clean. So you just clean. That's my afternoon routine, just making sure he's fed, he has showered, and he's okay. Yeah. Also, like a routine on weekly blessing hour, and in weekly home blessing hour, it means you have to either vacuum, dust, mop, do the mirrors, polish you do the nails, you change sheets, empty trash. And she is specific on this. Yeah, you have to do it in 1 hour. Remember, in the previous video we discussed about setting timers so that you can get your work done. Yes, this is where they come in. You set a timer, 1 hour. Make sure you've cleaned your house, you've checked the nails, you've taken the dustbin out, you've cleaned the mirrors, you've changed the sheets, you've changed the let's say the curtains, you see. And this is a weekly stuff. Yeah, and this, she believes that it helps get things done, and it's true, guys. I've tried, and it honestly, it does help. Yeah, every single person should have should designate cleaning routines that actually do work, like say weekly, daily, and monthly. Then there is also daily focus. Again, in the previous video, we did discuss about things that you can do on a daily, and I discussed and I shared with you things that I do. For me, cleaning the house, I have to do it daily and twice a day. I have to clean my washroom, I have to clean my bathroom, I have to do my dishes every now and then after meal, and yeah, and anything in between. Right now my son is 1 year 2 months, and during the day I just leave him diaper free. So for me, another thing that I have to do on a daily is I have to wash his trousers, his soiled trousers, because again I'm leaving him diaper free, so meaning he soils on himself, because we are yet to begin potty training. I don't want to fasten it up, but yeah, so for me, that is another thing. I have to wash the soiled trousers every other day. Like, have a system that works, like delegate, distribute your the work in your home to something that can actually work for you, not you work for it. Yeah. And then she also has something called zone cleaning. Zone cleaning means deep cleaning, and according to her, you have to do it 15 minutes every single day. Again, I think I mentioned it in the previous video. So you can say maybe today I'll do deep cleaning on living room. Make sure you dust every single part of that living room, and in 15 minutes. Yeah, because again, remember, you have chores that you do on a daily. You have things that you have to do on a daily on your routine, right? It has to be done within 15 minutes. Yeah. You can decide I'll do deep cleaning on the bedroom. You decide maybe the washroom, the bathroom, the kitchen. It just depends on you and what you prefer and what works for you. So yeah, that's all about Fly Ladies. Indicate down below if you think it's something that you can try, because for me, I've been trying and it's been working. So it's something that I am looking forward to getting serious with it, because again, it helps get things done in the house, especially if you're like me and you always stay most of the times at home. So yeah, that's all about Fly Ladies system. Hope you try it.